Skincare at night is all about repair, and I'm always looking for something that actually helps my skin to bounce back overnight. Andalou Naturals sent me their Resveratrol Q10 Night Repair Cream, and I've been testing it out. The consistency is very unique. It's really thick, and I feel like it works best if I first kind of warm it up between my fingertips, and then I blend it into my face and my neck. It starts off feeling really rich, but it absorbs in, so it doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and I do feel like it just kind of settles and it stays put even if I'm moving around on my pillow at night. The key ingredient here is the Resveratrol Q10, so that's a blend of antioxidants, and it's meant to help support your skin's vitality. So resveratrol is often associated with firm, hydrating-looking skin, and CoQ10 is something that can help with skin renewal and repair. By morning, my skin feels soft, smooth, and refreshed, so if you have dry skin or you're looking for something to support your skin overnight, this might just be what you need in your skincare routine.